Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've been feeling nostalgic, I'm thinking, okay, I wanna make a candle or something that really inspires me, so I've been thinking day by day by day, you know what, I just waiting for the creative juices to flow. And it so happens that today when I was in the supermarket, something just came up to me. You know what, Michael? Why don't you go back to the beginning? You know what? And that's what I'm gonna be doing today, guys. Today I'm gonna be making a candle inspired by what made me start doing my candle journey, guys, and that is the gardenia flower. Okay, so I have a gardenia bush right over there, that is blooming right now. It's very hot and dry in Portland, Oregon, so these flowers are really like the true essence is flowing, guys. The scent it's absolutely gorgeous, guys. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of information about regarding the scent of the gardenia flower. The scent of gardenia fragrance oil is a captivating blend of rich, creamy floral notes that evoke the essence of a blooming garden. It's so romantic, guys. It's so powerful, so loving. At the forefront, you'll experience the intoxicating sweetness of the gardenia flower, which is both lush and heady. This is complemented by subtle hints of green leaves and a touch of fresh, dewy petals that add a natural crispness to the aroma. Underlying this bouquet is a delicate base of white musk and soft woods. Beautiful. Rounding the fragrance with a warm, smooth finish, perfectly capturing the luxurious and romantic nature of the gardenia. This fragrance oil brings the elegance of a garden in full bloom into your home. This is so beautiful, guys. It's very lush, very kind of smoky, but very romantic. And I'm telling you, it's very hard for me to explain what this fragrance does to me, guys, but this is what started my journey in candle making. Okay, and after testing so many different fragrance oils from all the fragrance oil companies that I know, I decided to go for this one. It's called Gardenia from Stone Candle Bar. Okay, this fragrance oil is part of my sultry gardenia candle that you can buy at my website. Okay, let me give you the information that they put on the website. Okay, a fresh green adelic notes and island gardenia seed atop a floral heart of rose, jasmine, and mugwort with soft bottom notes of creamy petals. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. On my candle, guys, that I have on my candle line is called Sultry Gardenia, and this is one of the main players, guys. So this one and other fragrance oil that I pair with this, I'm telling you, you're gonna fall in love. But this is the only fragrance oil that I find is so close to the true gardenia flower. But this is better because this one adds other kind of ingredients. Okay, the fragrance notes. The top note is gardenia, lemon blossom, cyclamen flower, beautiful masterpiece. The middle notes, lily of the valley, jasmine, and rose water. Oh my God! And the bottom note is tuberose, heliotrope, and green musk. That base note, guys, is what makes this a huge success. A lot of my people love this on my candle, and we're gonna make a candle now using this beautiful. This was one of the passion prints from 1617. This is no longer available. Color is deposited into the glass rather than printed, making the piece both exclusive and durable. This glass is thick and strong, and candle maker's dream. It's very heavy, very strong. The color is inside the glass, so you can use this for barware. You can use this for all different uses, guys. Okay, the exterior diameter is 4 inches. Interior diameter is 3.625 inches. The height is 4 inches. And the recommended fill is 15 ounces. And the empty weight is 16 ounces. For wicking this candle, because I've done this many times, I'm going to be using SoyBliss wax from hiveandhoney.com. I'm going to be using a double CDN number 4, because that's what I used in the past and it always works, okay? Especially with this oil. So double CDN number 4, SoyBliss wax in this beautiful candle is gonna be out of this world. The recommended fill is 15 ounces. So I'm gonna be putting pictures on the website, guys. I love the picture of the gardenia flower, but you can see it live in here. Yes, I'm in heaven. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take you inside and we're gonna start making the candle. Yeah, success. Okay, guys, welcome back. It's time to make the beautiful candle. Yes. Okay. So, like I told you before, I'm going to be using this passion print, okay? That's no longer available, but I believe Hive and Honey will bring them back. I'm not sure. Just stay. I will let you know, guys, if I hear anything in the future, okay? So So again, this is gonna be a gardenia candle inspired by my beautiful gardenias in my garden. Yes! So these are two different candles that I made, okay? And I use a double CDN number 4. Beautiful, okay? So what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna be cleaning up the vessel first. And like I told you, I'm gonna be using SoyBliss wax, which you can get at Have & Honey. I'm gonna link it down below. Now, guys, when you go to Stone Candles, I believe it's called Stone Candles Bar, a candle maker, and you have your website and you're selling candles. I believe they have a program that you can get discounts. Okay, so check them out, because I do get kit discounts whenever I get these fragrance oils, but you have to get the minimum purchase is $100. Okay, so that's something that you have to take into consideration. If you want to get the big discount, you have to get in big orders. So okay, so now this is nice and clean. I'm gonna be using a double CDN number 4 for this. Now I have a contraption that I showed you guys before. I got it from Northern Candle Supply. I'm gonna be putting the link down in the description box, and this is it. Okay, this is the wick placer, guys, and this comes, this is custom made, and it's so easy to wick, and it's always perfectly centered. Just push. Show you. I'm telling you guys, this is such a time saver. If you have a lot of candles that you're wicking, guys, look at this beautiful. It's perfection, okay? I like to press them really hard because you don't want it to come off once you pour the hot wax. Okay, and this comes with a wick holder, okay? So I just, look. Perfection. So let me just put this to the side. Okay, so now let's talk about the numbers we're doing here. And this candle has a 15-ounce fill. So I'm gonna make this candle, the new one, I'm gonna make it also 15-ounce fill. So for that, I have in here 13.5 ounces of SoyBliss wax. Then I'm gonna need 1.5 ounces of this fragrance oil to make it a 10% fragrance load. So let me tell you how I came up with the numbers. So let me just get my calculator in here. So 15 ounce is the total fill of the candle. So 15 times 0.10, which is the fragrance load that we want, equals to 1.5 ounces of fragrance oil. Then you subtract 1.5 from 15, that gives you 13.5. In the meantime, I'm gonna put this in the microwave to start warming up. I want this to go up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and I need 1.5. Oh my God, it smells so good, guys. Oof. Amazing. 1.5. Okay, put this away. Oh my God, I kind of start smelling this beautiful scent. Oh my God, guys, this is so romantic. This is perfect year round. You know, this is for special occasion. I think this will be a great housewarming present. But you have to remember, guys, not everybody likes the scent of gardenias. Okay, this is something very special. You know, and some people don't like it. So you know, it's good for you to ask first. The way I do ask is I ask them, you know, what is your favorite flower? And then I ask the person, name the flowers that you don't really like that much. You know, and then I just go from there. And guys, I'm not gonna do an HT test because I know this candle is gonna be beautiful. I've done it before. As a matter of fact, this is part of one of my candles, Sultry Gardenia. Okay. Oh my God. This candle has been done for 2 years, guys. And I'm telling you, it smells brand new. It's so beautiful. Go to my website, guys, and check them out. Okay, so let's see how the wax is doing. Not yet. Guys, I'll be right back once that comes to temperature, okay? Let's see how warm this is. It's very hot. That's why you have to wear these gloves, guys. 212. So I'm gonna pour the fragrance oil. Let it sit for a few seconds. So it start binding with the wax. And now we're gonna mix for 20 seconds. I'm gonna mix for about a minute, you know? It's just me, you know? 20 seconds should be enough with SoyBliss wax, but I like to do a minute. And let's see how cool this got after okay, it's 187. You see how much this goes down, guys? That's why you have to warm this up between 210 and 220, guys. 212, so it was fine. It's just that you have to wait until the molecules are really open, you know. Otherwise, it's never gonna bind. And I'm gonna wait until it goes down between 180 and 185. Again, we want to prevent the wicks from dislodging from the bottom of the vessel. It smells amazing. It smells truly amazing, guys. I'm telling you, you must try this fragrance oil from Stone Candles. There are many different kinds of gardenia fragrance oils that I try, guys. That's why I'm telling you, this one is to me the best. But again, everybody has different tastes. Let me just get some paper towels. Okay, it's 183, time to pour. And then you're gonna pour the beautiful gardenia candle. Yes, come on, baby. Yes, you beautiful. Perfect. I'm glad that I did the 15 ounce. I'm gonna let this solidify, guys, and I'm gonna take you guys back to the garden and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, guys? Thank you. Yes! Hi guys, welcome back to the end of the video. So we have in here the beautiful candle. It has finished solidifying, but it's not completely cured yet. The city is out of this world. I have to tell you, I am so happy with this fragrance oil from Stone Candles Gardenia. Okay, it's a must if you wanna make the perfect gardenia scented candle, guys. This is inspired by this beautiful flower from my garden, okay? And as you can see, guys, these flowers are very delicate. You know, in the morning is the best time for you to get them, and you have to put them on a refrigerator or something to preserve them, because they are very heat sensitive, and it's very hot today in Portland, so they wilt very easily, okay? But the smell, the scent, it's amazing. This candle is inspired by my sultry gardenia candle. This is also part of my collection on candleromance.shop. Check it out, okay, guys? So I'm gonna leave this in here, guys. I wanna thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you make this beautiful candle, guys. Again, I'm gonna let you know whether or not I can find this vessel anywhere. Okay, I'll let you know on the comments below. Anyway, guys, thank you for spending this time with me, guys, and I hope you make this beautiful candle and let me know how you like it. Until the next one, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, and visit my website, candleromance.shop, so you can shop all my beautiful candles. Okay, guys? Until the next one, be well. I love you. Yeah!